Hi, I'm Amy from Restoring Venus, Moving Beyond Pain. Here are some helpful hints and tips to help you continue on your journey of movement, self-discovery, and pain education. Today, my charming daughter, Erin, and I are going to be making some ice packs. Now, I don't know about you, but I am a huge ice pack fan for all aches and pains, and I hate buying them from the store. So this is a very cheap and easy way to make some for yourself that are moldable and reusable. The first recipe we're going to be doing is rubbing alcohol, plain old like 99-cent rubbing alcohol, and tap water. So you're going to use a ratio of 1 part rubbing alcohol to 3 parts water. So you're going to have to do a little bit of math. We're going to use 3 cups of water and 1 cup of rubbing alcohol because Erin and I are not the math majors in the family. Okay, so Erin, if you would do me a favor and pour the water into the bag.
Put it down.
Put it down there. It's really challenging.
Very.
And then go ahead and pour the rubbing alcohol in. Now you got a big bag full of water and rubbing alcohol.
Mix it up just a little bit.
And then we're gonna squeeze. We're gonna squeeze some of the air out. So the top is open, and we're just pushing down gently.
Oh wait.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Having a second set of hands is pretty helpful.
Oh.
And we're gonna seal this up and let it freeze. Now, I have used a few of these myself, and I'm gonna let you know that it does take a little bit to freeze. That's okay. It won't freeze solid like an ice cube.
Do you want to double bag it?
Yes. So we're gonna go the other way. Yep. So the reason we're doing this is because when you're laying in your bed and you have your ice pack under your butt, they come open sometimes. When you put these these ice packs on, they are colder than just a slab of ice. So please be sure to put a thin t-shirt, a pillowcase, a towel, something between you and the ice so that you don't end up with frostburn. Because that's just not fun. You're already in pain, let's not make it worse. So we're gonna do a 1-to-3 ratio. We're gonna put it in a Ziploc bag, squeeze the air out, put it in a second bag, and then toss it in the freezer. Another way to make these bags is with some dish soap. I know that sounds crazy, but like the blue gooey ones that you get at your physical therapist or when you got hurt playing sports or whatever are really a very similar consistency. So pick a color, get a bag, and
you could just take the cap off.
Fill her up. Yeah, but then you wouldn't get to squeeze it, and this is way more fun.
Try. Make sure you lie the bags as flat as you can in the freezer. That way it's easier to mold and like make.
So you can make small ones for little bitty ones.
Add a little bit more.
Nope, that'll be fine.
Okay.
She always likes more. Gotta squeeze the air out.
Do it different.
Those are good for little boo-boos, for teething, for your little one if you happen to have little ones. Great for knees, behind them, on top of them. This is a much more moldable type of ice pack, but all it costs you is a portion of a bottle of hand soap, which could be gotten at the dollar store. Hope that you have enjoyed this video and found it useful. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!
I hate that.
I know you do.